Hello guys, we are going to birthday party. Here we are on the way. Sarap ng hangin. I-feel ko muna siya. Kasi winter pa dito sa Dubai. At yan ngayon, si Bugi, nagbabag siya ng Chanel. Ay, hindi pala Chanel yan, paper bag.
Thank you.
Yan, dito na kami. At
Tita Jing. Oh, naano namin to dati na ispatan lang namin. Best pa?
Nahilo kasi.
May pocket pala eh.
Nalula.
to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. No!
What is this? Alligator! Scissors, yeah, this is a scissors.
Yan na. Ito na, what's this? What's this?
Wow!
So big! So? Sabi na ba? Ayun!
What's this?
Oh, there's one more.
There's one more. Oh my goodness! What's that?
It's a robot.
Ayan guys, after niya magbukas ng gate, pumunta kami sa balcony para mag-check ng view. Ang ganda ng view nila. May night market dyan and football and basketball court. Ayan. At saka ayan, tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo mga sasakyan. Kung gaano kadaming sasakyan sa Dubai, ayan, nagtatraffic. At ang kagandahan dito, may pedestrian lane na hindi kayo pwedeng dumaan dyan ng
Okay, tama na. Kita niyo ba?